Hello there everyone, this is RedsWebs. Today we're going to show you, we're going to have quite a big video on, and we're going to completely show you how to build a website and do all the SEO and online marketing for it. So, firstly we're obviously just going to go straight over to our website to log in and everything. And this is an all new website, by the way, all new logo, everything, RedsWebs. We're getting out there. We're going over to 20 clients now, providing fully managed design service is for 10 of them. So that means we'll build, manage and maintain your website. This isn't done with what we're showing you today. We don't do this service with the Weebly website builder, website and online store builder. This is generally for an easy to use professional website builder that we're showing you today how to use it. And our fully managed design service that I'm talking about, we build that properly with a professional software and do all the code and everything like that so that we can do it how we want it, like our site, professional, proper professional, it's all fast, professional, brand new, modern. So today we're talking about our website and online store builder package. On our last video, which was 4 days ago, I'm into tablet view at the moment, so it's going to show it a bit weird. Yeah, I'm in tablet view at the moment, so showing it a bit weird on a desktop for tablet view, but on a tablet it looks absolutely fine. It's just something that I'm getting one of our designers to work on, to why it's doing it on desktop. Because if you didn't know, you can view as a tablet on your browser, but it doesn't show as effectively as an actual tablet. So as an actual tablet, it shows properly. But yeah, so you can see our packages and everything here. For the website builder, I'd recommend just loading it up on yours so you can see it nicely. RedsWebs.com. Go over to our services and website and online store builder. But yeah, refer to another video to get that, to set that up. We've done a whole setup video. Back to the channel, just quickly, we're actually thinking about consistency at the moment. So I know our last video, which was our only 2 videos, it was done 4 days ago, so that isn't consistent. So what we're going to do is we're going to be releasing a video every single day, just on help, things to do with us as a business, and mostly general just advice and help with building a website and online marketing and things like that. So yeah, be sure that you're staying in tuned for that. Give us a subscribe, put a notification bell on there. We need the 100 subscribers so we can have a custom URL for our YouTube channel, so that would be great. So yeah, we're onto our main website here anyway, redswebs.com, and we're going to go to login. It's going to take us to our .co.uk page, .com if you're in the US. It's going to take us to our .co.uk because this is our login page. It's a bit different to our website. This is like your management area, and where you can see like our knowledge base, network status and contact us. One thing I will recommend, the network status, it never really gets updated. I mean, because the system, obviously touching wood that's wood. The system never goes down. We've got a faultless system, so there should never be the use of a network status. The only time we will use that is if we're doing maintenance and upgrades, but that's normally done overnight anyway, between midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning, and there's no downtime with it anyway. So yeah, so we've gone over to our client area login, and we're going to log in with our details. This is our test account that we've set up for you guys. Oh, I keep pressing the comma. I've got a different keyboard now. So this is just generic login. And we got it here. So we're going to go straight on down to build your website. redswebstest.com, we got that here. If you've got more than one website with us, they'll all show here. If it's just the one, you can just go straight away, click manage. Oh, So if you get this, make sure you always allow pop-ups and redirects from https://rexwebs.co.uk. That's just because it's weeblycloud.com. It's a cloud editor, so you just have to accept the pop-up. And then once you've accepted that, you go manage again. That was good to show you all that. Good that it popped up and I cleared my cache before we done the video, so that could pop up and obviously, so we could show you that. So this is our website builder. We have started on this, so it's not going to be completely from straight. We started to do a video, but we just didn't like it, so we binned it off. But we forgot to reset the website here. So it was a couple of days ago. It was 2 days ago. So what we've done in general, just to recap into this video. Oh, you know what? Actually, we're just gonna start from scratch for you guys, straight for you guys, just to do it brand new. We've got unlimited time on the video, so we can go from brand new. So I really like the last theme that we picked, but we've got lots of themes here to pick from. I really like the theme that we picked for what we was doing. I believe it was that, to be honest, actually. But if we have, when we do pick a theme, we change theme. We can change theme at any time with this Weebly website builder. So it's unlike a lot of website builders. It's very modern and it's got loads of awesome features like this. So you can go change theme and you can change it to any other theme in there, and it'll keep all the contents on there. Or alternatively, if you change theme and you think, oh, I like the last theme I used, you go recently used, and you can see all the themes that you've picked here. So I've actually picked that one. That was one of the ones I did use, but we're actually using that one. So we're going to go with that again. And then actually here as well, you can import themes where you can buy from marketplaces like ThemeForest, etc. These are themes that have got like content and everything on already, loads of really good content. So literally all you have to do is just edit and go. I would recommend these, obviously, but you do have to pay for them. So it is around $30 to $60. They don't take English pounds, it's dollars. It just automatically converts it. Your bank does. But yeah, they're very good professional themes. But if you put work into this, you can do the same, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So you won't need one of them themes if you're going to be following this video. So instead of starting from scratch, I'm just going to show you what we did basically. So we added this. This text was already there like that, so it just come up with some sample text. So we just went onto that and just clicked there and just backspaced off whatever we wanted and didn't want and changed it. Easy as that for changing text and everything like that. We can add our own logo here as well, which is the main thing. We do recommend completely having a logo. If you don't have a logo, my recommendations is there's lots of free logo makers out there. You can make a basic-ish logo, not bad logo, but my highly recommendation would be to check out a website called Fiverr. On there, you can actually get professional logos designed for you from like startup graphic designers or students doing graphic design, and honestly they're really really great. We actually got our logo graphic designed by a student that actually works for us, so don't think that because they've not got experience they're not going to know. They are completely fully professional, and as you can tell from our website, our logo is very very professional. So what we've done here is we added actually this search bar. It didn't come with the theme, so we added this search bar by just going to this search box and we just dragged and dropped it in simply like that, and it's just going to put another one in there. So we don't want to, we just want one. We're going to keep that there, and because you've seen that was to the left there, actually we're going to show you this. We've got a space there. We're going to show you how to simply just align something from the right. So you just left click on it, I didn't mean to right click on it, align something to the central or right. That's how you do it, very easy like that. And it's the same with things like text. So if you click on the text double click it to highlight it all, and you can go align left, align center, etc. with the text. Very easy like that, and that's what we was doing. So obviously, as soon as you drag and drop the text box in, puts it to the left, and for more structure-wise, we wanted to put it in the middle, make it more structured. This is what a lot of people I see go wrong a bit with their website. They add all their content, that's great. They add all their fully nice images, that's great. But then they just fail on structure and design, really, and that's what kind of gets it a bit. So what we did was, actually, when you add things in, they all go close together. So with things like dividers, this is the divider here, so it divides this to this, makes it a little bit more, adds a little bit of design to that. And a spacer, which is what we have here, to just space it out a bit. I mean, once you just drag and drop things like, and I've seen a lot of people like, so say if we just get rid of it all just to show you for an example. I see a lot of people have websites like this, and it just it does infuriate me. I mean, but you got obviously. I added a separate space here. I'll show you how to do that after we've got rid of the rest. Yeah, so that's it. But like, I mean, you're not gonna know until obviously someone tells you and helps you. And I mean, that's why we've set up Red's Webs. Obviously, with this Weebly website builder support, this Weebly website builder, you get your 24/7 expert support. Yeah, you get your 24/7 expert UK support straight from us. Not from Weebly or anything, it's straight from us. It's UK 0800 free to call number. And we're not like most website companies. If you've had a website before with a website builder company, they'll only help you a bit. They'll show you how to add things in and things like that. They won't give you advice on how to, space out your content a bit more. They won't say like, oh, sorry sir, your website here, I'd suggest adding like a spacer or something there. They don't say things like that. They don't care, because they just don't care. Here at Red's Webs, we train all our agents to care for your website, and to make sure that they're constantly improving you and how you work, and constantly improving your knowledge on this website builder. So that, in the future, this website builder gets updated monthly. I mean, there's always things being added. So in the future, obviously, you can always update your website. You've got a website there, always updated. And with us as well, you get the FTP access. So if you don't know what FTP access is, don't worry about it. Basically what it is that it's where you can download all your website files onto, and then you give it to another web hosting provider, and they'll load the website onto there. Obviously, I mean, if you load it onto a web host, you won't be able to then manage it with the Weebly website builder. But yeah, in the future, obviously, if anything did happen, or you did want to move your website to a hosting, and you've done your website, you don't want to do any more updates to it, you don't want to pay for a website builder, you just want to pay, I don't know, a big company like One-on-One, GoDaddy, to just host it for you for 99p and then $4.99 afterwards or something like that. Do that. But I mean, our website builders do only start from $8.99. Our hosting packages are a little bit more expensive because they get support as well, and our hosting support is a bit expensive because the support is a bit more advanced than the website builder, so that's why the hosting is a bit more expensive. But we are ultra fast hosting, so you could do that as well. But I mean, fully recommendation from us is just keep the website builder. You can constantly update it. Google actually, so say if you build your website now, 6 months later, you've done everything really good and your website's #1, but 6 months after that 6 months, you've not done any work on your website, Google could just put you back down a bit, because there's other people updating their website more. That's how it works. You need to be constantly updating your website nowadays, and with Weebly, you can actually add a blog feature. So if you add your blog feature, you add a blog a day. That's it constantly being updated, and obviously you can get a feed reader, so you can connect your existing blogs. If you've got an existing blog, like Blogger or a WordPress blog or anything like that, you can get it all imported onto this. It won't make it run any slower. You're not limited to storage with us. You get unlimited pages, unlimited content. You're not unlimited to content. You're not unlimited to things you can drag and drop in. You're not unlimited to You're not limited to text. You're not limited to images. You're not limited to anything but products on the basic and the plus. And then on the business, on the pro, you're actually not limited to anything at all. So that's what makes it great. I mean, and that's what we like. But yeah, back to the spaces. Sorry, we went a bit off topic there. Can you see like how this has got really ugly already? And all we done was just simply, for here, underneath the text, and in between the two texts, we just added a divider, a nice line divider. And then between the search bar and the text, you can see they're a bit close there. So we just added a spacer, an empty bit of space. And in between the text and the image, there's a little bit too close there. We don't like that either. We're just gonna have a spacer there as well to space it out a bit more. And here, it's straight away, it's far too close. You wouldn't know that if you don't design websites. So we're not shouting at you for not doing it. We're just gonna help you to do it. We're gonna give you our recommendation. We're not gonna, once you build your website and you know it may not look the best, we're not going to turn around and say, look, say your website's crap. You need to do this. You need to do that. You need to do that. We're not going to do that. We're just going to give little recommendations on how to do things, and you know, and just politely give you advice. And I'm sure that's what you want, rather than them not tell you anything at all. I'd much rather someone tell me that a recommendation and a bit of feedback, rather than, you know, just not tell me anything at all, not give me any advice, not tell me anything about it, not saying my website's looking great or my website could do with this or that. So yeah. But yeah, so we've added obviously these spacer now, and the divider, yeah, and the divider there. So it looks a lot more spaced out. It looks a lot more nicer. You know, you can tell how professional it's got already just by adding a couple of little spacers, easy little spacer and dividers like that, spacing out a little bit more, making it look a bit more presentable, as you'd say. So next we're going to go on down some more of the features. Like you can see here, I've added a video. This is actually, so some people get a bit confused with this as well. So you can add two forms of videos. You can add a HD video. Well, actually, to be honest, 4 forms of videos. You can add a HD video, which is a video from your uploads, and it'll be a HD one, so that's recommended if you've got a HD video and you want to upload it from your computer or the cloud or anything like that, or a storage cloud. You can link it in there, and then you got YouTube. So actually, we're just going to show you quick how it's set out. So HD video, just go there, click to upload video, upload file from your computer. Easy as done. Okay? And we're just going to click that to get rid of that there, because we've already got a video there. And then YouTube video. I'm going to drag and drop that in. So it gives us a video already there. I'm just going to click there, and then we're just going to copy and paste the YouTube video that we want. Easy as done. YouTube.com/watch me. There you go. Easy as done. You type in the video URL there, not the channel URL, the video URL, the actual video URL. So if you go to the video that you want to upload, you just copy and paste the URL from the top here. So that centers all the way to the top. Oops. We're just going to get rid of that. Set it back to there. And when you do things as well, you don't have to press publish every time to save anything. Everything you do, it saves it for you, unless it has a little save button in the actual thing itself, which the text doesn't. It saves it all automatically for you. And then the other forms, the Flash as well, you can add Flash onto your website. This is good for adding lots of extra content. I mean, if you're not an experienced user of web design or anything like that, you're most likely not going to use the Flash or the embed code bit. But if there's something that you can't see that you want to add onto your website, call us. Free number to call from mobile and landline in the UK. 0800 number, free to call. anytime. Ask us what you want on your website, and we'll tell you whether it's possible. Because 99 times out of 100, it is actually possible. It's just it's not on this bit. We have to add it via code or Flush, and most website builder companies won't support that for you. They'll tell you how to add it. They'll say, so you go here, you find the embed code bit, and then you just drag and drop it in, and then you get your code from where you want it and just put it in there. You just do that. That's all we just advise you. That's all we can tell you. If it breaks it, it breaks it. We don't support you. We'll just fix it for you and get rid of it. If it doesn't, you're fine. But like here, we'll support that. We'll go out there, out of our own way. We'll find something that you want to add to your website, and we'll find a way to add it for you. We're not scared to do that. We're here to help you. We're here to completely optimize your business. So next to our basic website, we're just going to add a contact form under here, I reckon, and that's going to be it for the homepage. We're not going to add too much content because we're not going to completely long the video out for you. We're going to go here, contact us, and you can see this is centered to the left. Some people just literally leave that. So what we're going to do is we're going to center that to the middle. It makes it look a bit more nice. And you know what we're going to do? Because that button's red there, we're going to change the colour red. So more red like that. There you go. Just to give it a bit more customization there. And that's the line to the centre. And this is our example here actually. So this box has actually come with a save. So you just go save. But we're going to go back into there. And we're going to go form options first. And we're going to make sure that this email to is the email address that you want the contact form to go to. Okay? And you can change the form name there. So if you've got a couple of contact forms, you can just easily add a couple of ones that you've added already. So you can add like a Google Capture bit extra to this as well. And enable opt-in bit. Mark this as required as well. And then you can get a confirmation message as well, or you can get the link as well, but we'll go for a message. A message is a lot more easier. You can change some space in here, so if you want a bit more spaced out, so actually I might do, to be honest. No, I'll just it up a bit. You know what, I'm just going to leave the space in for now. We don't need to focus on that too much. Fairly spaced out anyway, first, last name, yeah. It's fairly spaced out. And we're going to add these all button, the button to the centre. And the button's going to say submit still. And we go off there and you're thinking, why aren't all them changes I've just done come up? It's because you need to press save. And then there you go. There you go, and you've got your I agree. And your button in the middle. There you go. That's how we do it. So, unfortunately, at the moment, actually, there's not a way that you can easily align all of these to the centre. You have to actually mess around with the spacing. But we've got the spacing guide here. It's actually on our knowledge base. Back onto our... so it's not going to show you there, but yeah, it's actually on our knowledge base. So yeah, be sure to check that out. And then we've got the spacing configurations there, so you just click into each one separately, and we've got the spacing so that you can make it all central. But to be honest, I actually like having it on the left and having these in the centre. It gives it a bit more unique design to it. It looks a bit more different rather than having it all straight through the middle. Gives it a bit more space out, as we like the spacing. So that is it, I believe, for here. And you know what, actually as well, we're going to add a bit more text text, yeah, so if we just go get some lorem ipsum text. Get one paragraph, copy and paste it, just for some basic text. We're gonna go center this, change the color up to that color up there. You know what, actually as well, we're gonna change this to this color as well. Make it all a bit more the same. This red's a bit more, it's a bit more stand out, and this, the red that we're using here, doesn't stand out as much, which is nice. Yeah, so we've got that center. We're actually going to add another spacer here. That's too close for my liking. And again, it's too close, so we can actually add 2 spacers. Bear in mind as well, you can add 2 spacers, not a problem. Right next to each other. Don't think that you can't, because you can. Do that all the time. Don't worry, it gets annoying, but it's fine. That'll do. And I mean, I could, because it's a bit of lorem ipsum text. Actually, we could. So if we go, get that a bit like that. Get that a bit like that. And then what we'll do is just centralize this bit of text. Oh, it's gone really ugly here. So you know what we'll do? It's got too much text now anyway for central how we want it. So we'll go like that. Get rid of that text that we want. And there we go. We've added another bit of text there for the bottom. Just as a little sample to show all you guys so you fully know everything. I mean, we've added a lot of things that we can. You can add buttons separately. I mean, so as well, actually, we'll add a button under here for an example. So we can get the button text. So what I see with a lot of buttons as well, which I don't like, click me or click here. Well, not what I don't like, Google doesn't like actually. So there's click me or click here. Don't do it. Google doesn't like it. It's learn more, know more, about, anything like that. Oh, learn no. So yeah, you don't put click me or click here or anything like that. It's bad for your site. Google hate it. They won't rank it nice. So we're going to go learn more, and then we're going to just link it to, you can see we can link it to hundreds of things here. So you've got website URL, a standard page on your site, a product page on your site, a blog post on your blogs, a phone number, a file, or an email address. So what we're going to do actually is we're going to link this to a phone number so they can ring us to learn more. And we're just going to add our phone number in there. And yeah, and now that's added. Don't need to press save or anything. That's all added for you. Easy done. Sinners again, obviously I didn't explain that, but we sinners again. Center that button, align that button to the middle. Just for presentation. As obviously you know, a website is you're presenting your business with a website. So you need it to all be on point, is what I'm saying. Literally on point. So we haven't actually added a slider for that. We're not going to add it. We're just going to have a small, simple navigation for the sub-page, for the other pages. Oh, that was actually taking a while to load. That's because we're loading other things in the background. We're uploading another video in the background somewhere else. So what we're going to do for this one is, what we're going to do for this one is I think we're actually going to start the store on the menu page. So on this menu, it's our menu page for our Red's food. we're actually going to start the store. So we're going to go head over to our store page. Look at that. Wow, your site looks amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much. I don't know why it's come out like that, but oh well. It's most likely fun to set up. So what we're going to do here first, straight away, is go to the store setup, add some information. So we want to click edit first, that would be helpful. So we're just going to go Red's Food. Add a complete random address. I don't even know if this is anything. United Kingdom. Add your phone number, add everything on there, that's all going to show up on your store page. Your currency, you want to make sure, sorry, I keep doing this, so we need to go to save for this bit, you need to make sure you put save. So we actually need to use a proper address. I've never actually tried using a random address before, so no worries. We use it anyway. We don't care, we'll break the rules. We'll go for edit currency. Our main currency is going to be GBP. Where we've only got the plus package, we can only add one currency. And our units is most likely going to be pounds and inches. Actually, no, we're going to go kilograms and centimeters. Metric. We'll go metric. So our purchase mode. Are we going to have add to cart or are we going to have buy now? So we're food. So we're just going to have add to cart rather than buy now. So we want to click and go save for there. And go down to layout. Control our categories and products are displayed on the auto-generated category pages. So we're going to go into edit here. And we're actually going to have both. We're going to have categories on the sidebar, and then we're going to have products in blocks in the middle, which I think will look quite cool, hopefully, with our site. Products per page. We don't want to have too many. We'll go for 24. Columns of products on category pages. We're going to have 3 products. We're not going to make it all blacked out. We're just going to have 3 and you can customise that as you wish there anyway. We're going to have scale 1:1. That's just a product image ratio, so I always recommend that. If you're adding your own product image, you've definitely got to have the original scalable image. Social icons, going to have all our social icons on there. Of course, we want people to see our socials, go to our socials, maybe give it a like. Very important, socials nowadays. And obviously you can go in there and edit what they are as well, in the actual settings page, and we'll show you how to do that. Yeah, so you can have your Google Analytics things here as well, which is nice and easy to add. Unlike other website builders, it's really hard, but yeah. We're going to go back to our video, and our store information is done. Next, we want to add a product. We want to go by this, really. We want to go by the recommendations of which steps to do it in. So, a Redder Fooder is our product, and this is going to be £10, and the sale price is going to be £9.99. You get a penny off, guys. Get it whilst you can. You'll calculate price here, which is quite cool. Product pricing wizard, how much the materials cost to make one product, how much overhead does one product cost, do you plan to sell wholesale, etc. These are all really cool items that not a lot of stores have at all. It is really cool. I mean, I don't even think Shopify has this product pricing wizard tool. I generally think Weebly is one of the only ones that has it out there. I've tried quite a few of them. And the reason why obviously we sell Weebly as well, because we do think Weebly is probably the best out there for website and store building, as terms to easiest and modern and the features that you can add, etc. So yeah, we're actually just going to, so got all the product description here, all the product information, the cost, and everything like that, track costs section, all the material costs. This is all additional information, you don't have to fill it in. It'd be handy if you did, but obviously you don't have to, you don't need to. Some businesses won't need it, some businesses will, it's totally down to you. Your permalink, so this will be your website, so say we've got the website builder. Our permalink for our website builder is redswebs.co.uk/website -builder, -builder, sorry. So /website -builder, that's a permalink. So you just go, the / is added in for you there already, so you just literally type in your product name, so it would be Redders -fooders. So if you've got a space between a product, I always recommend adding a hyphen instead of a space because it won't pick up the space. SEO title and description, these are important so that Google pick them up. Google actually add them to their shopping page as well, so that's really handy as well. Obviously it says optional there, but I recommend it, to be honest. So just going to go save here. That's one product added, and we can see our library here, and all that here. We've actually got categories here, which you can add a random category quick. Food 1, add the category image. We can choose the products that we add to this, so we're going to add the one product straight away. Layout options header, we're going to add a header to show the category off. We're not going to have subcategories for now. Obviously you can see this is so advanced as well, for very easy to use online store builder. You could do so much, it's amazing. I mean, we're going to cover into the store more into another video, that's why we're skipping through the store quickly, because we're going to go straight back to the website builder now after doing all this. So yeah, we're going to go to the website builder now, because we're going to cover the store properly in a proper full video on the store, on how to get a successful store on there. Because as I said, we're uploading videos every single day. It'll be daily videos from now, and the more we can cover, the better. So now we're going to our settings. We're going to make sure all our general settings are set up. This is the last bit we're going to do for this video. We've done basic build on the website builder. I'll show you how the website builder basically works on a basic level. One thing obviously I didn't show you is all the widgets, but I mean, if you get it with us, you can explore all the widgets. 30-day money back guarantee as well. So if you end up deciding that you don't like it, you'll be free to obviously cancel it and get your money back. But I mean, fully recommend it. It's honestly great from a website designer, proper website designer and developer. Been doing it for 10 years. We do fully recommend Weebly. Very, very good website builder. And normally, like a year ago, we had an attitude where we didn't support website builders at all. So yeah. Obviously you want to put your site title in. I'll show the site title on top of your pages like this, like Weebly's got there, and we've got client area, RedsWebs and shop design. Upload a favicon, definitely recommended, a small version of your logo. We don't actually have it available on, no, it's because I'm viewing in a different view, so I don't see anyone's logos there, so that's fine. But yeah, you get like little logos there on top of a web page. We've got our R there, Weebly's got their W, etc. And you'd have obviously your tiny small logo there. Site password, you can password protect your site. So if you want to have it online but only a couple of people access it, you can certainly do that. And navigation, group access pages under more. You can, if you have loads of pages, you can put all your pages into a more section as well, so it's not all clammed up. In this site formatting, I'd always recommend checking this before obviously getting publishing and everything. Make sure that your time zone is your correct time zone. because obviously in America you've got quite a few different time zones, so make sure that yours is correct. If you're in UK, should be set to Greenwich Mean Time in default. Site language, editor language, that's all plain English, that's all we want. We can add our cookie policy URL there as well if we've got one separate, but we don't, so that's fine. SEO is the very recommended bit after you've initially built the start of your website. In here, you add your site description. Remember your site titles here, so the titles there, that's what will show up at the first bit. So if we go it's not even going to come up, how ridiculous. That's because I put red web. Huh. So if we go here, so that's your site title there, and then that's your site description. So we want to go back to our Weebly, and then your site description now, and that's what will show there. For the code, you can put your Google Analytics tracking code in here, and you can verify your site meta tag with the header code in here. So this is where you go if you're verifying your site with Google Search Console, and this is where you copy and paste the code in if you're verifying your site with Google Analytics. You can hide site from search engines. Obviously, most people don't want to do that, so you don't need to worry about that. An easy 301 redirect. So if you've got any old URLs, you can add them there to redirect to the actual existing page, which is a very cool feature. And here's your members page. You can have a login on site menu, allow people to register with your site. This is only part of the business plan only, so they can only register on the business plan. But you can have up to 100 members on the plus plan. Just they won't be able to log in and register on the site. So yeah, that's a very cool feature with Weebly as well. And here's your blog. This is where you start creating the blog. You click here, and you add a page. You add a blog page. Okay. So yeah, that's the video for today. Hold tight tomorrow for the next video. I believe tomorrow, I think we're going to go more depth into like online marketing tools and setting up your business with the right tools. It's not going to be any paid ones, it's going to be all free. All these guides that we're going to give you and videos that we're going to give you, they're most likely going to be free, except from obviously purchasing from us the website builder and the website and things like that. But you can implement most of our help guides and most of our help videos onto your website with someone else, so it'd be good to stay tuned for our videos. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, guys.